The same company that sold us 80 million pounds of atrazine, the breast cancer promoter, now sells us the blocker.
Peace and wellness, fam. So you're telling me that the company that actually poisons the ground, the air, the water with atrazine, that is a link cause to breast cancer, is actually now providing the pharmaceutical med to treat and block those things that potentially cause breast cancer. You can't make this type of shit up. This is next level wickedness. Listen to the video.
Because now they're making the female hormone. Now this is what brought me to the human related issues, because it turns out that the #1 cancer in women, breast cancer, is regulated by estrogen and by this enzyme aromatase. So when you develop a cancerous cell in your breast, aromatase converts androgens into estrogens, and that estrogen turns on or promotes the growth of that cancer so that it turns into a tumor and spreads. In fact, this aromatase is so important in breast cancer that the latest treatment for breast cancer is a chemical called letrozole, which blocks aromatase, blocks estrogen, so that if you develop the mutated cell, it doesn't grow into a tumor. Now, what's interesting is, of course, that we're still using 80 million pounds of atrazine, the #1 contaminant in drinking water, that does the opposite, turns on aromatase, increases estrogen, and promotes tumors in rats, and is associated with tumors, breast cancer in humans.